Well, water is coming. I'll do a quick little video. We've been moving out the house for 2 days now. Gas got shut off. Everything got shut off a few minutes ago. Here it is, starting to come into the yard. We've got tons of people that finally came out to help us, but there's a lot that we're in-laws' house is probably about 8 hours from being a total loss on our big property here. There's the pool, the house, cabana, outdoor kitchen. It's starting to fill up. We couldn't get the RV out. It's coming and filling up. That's the Arkansas River coming in. Fortunately, we had many people trying to help us, especially today, last 2 days. You can see everyone in the neighborhood's trying to get out. There's the gas company, firefighters. It's done. Yeah, there's no turning back this clock. So, yeah. The house my wife grew up in is about to be a total loss. So, anyway, see how fast that water's coming in. You can see there on the crest, that's the Arkansas River, and it'll fill in, and all this will fill up. The last estimate was where I'm standing right now by closer to midnight could be 6 to 7 foot underwater. So anyway, Sand Springs Lake coming up.